CSS3 introduces ImageSet, a new value for the background image property that lets us specify different background image files depending solely on the display density. This won't let us change based on layout size, but we can do that using a media query. This works great to switch between different versions of the same image purely based on pixel density if that's all you need. That is, your layout size and pixels won't change, and you don't mind using background images. If those are good for you, this is the way to go. Foreground images are a bit trickier because you'll either end up with invalid HTML and no source attribute with problematic accessibility, or you'll end up downloading an image you don't need in the high device pixel ratio cases. This is one place you probably don't want to roll your own solution, but use a library to polyfill until we get the right solution. There's a great article written by Chris Coyier that has a collection of solution libraries that he and Christopher Schmidt put together. My personal favorite of these is the PictureFill polyfill, because I think it's most likely to be relatively close to the eventual standard solution in its markup. But there are many other techniques with differing complexity. For example, the clown car technique designed by Estelle Weil. This technique makes use of SVG encapsulation to make each image a single reference, but to an SVG file that inside it has its own media query that selectively sets a background image on the SVG object. Background image again in order to prevent the browser from downloading all of the image references early. This technique is quite workable, but it's also a bit complex in markup, particularly if you want it to work in Internet Explorer.